Good evening, ma'am. Today I am going to explain about the packet tracing concept using Wireshark. The given questions are for this experiments are examine the frame for the first DNS packet sent by the client and identify the MAC and the IP address of the client. What is the contents on the type field in the Ethernet frame? This is the first question given. So here you can see for the DNS for the first protocol. Here this is the first protocol and the first DNS domain name server system. Here you can see the transaction ID is 0xFF0C and the queries are the client 1 on google.com type A in class C. Now we are going into the second question. The second one is examine the IP header of the first DNS packet sent by the client and in the IP header for the first DNS packet, what is the header length, what is the total packet length, and identify the protocol type field, what is the number and the type of protocol in the payload. We are going to see this for IP. Here you can see the source address is 10.2.5.120 and the destination is 192.168.0.11 and the version is 4 and the header length is 20 bytes and the differentiated service is 8 and the total length is 65 and the identification is 0x5475. Here you can see and the fragment offset is 0 and the time to clear is 128 and the protocol UDP is 70 and the header check is 0x50d6. Now we are going into the third question. The third question, examine the UDP header of the first DNS packet sent by the client and identify the client environment port number and the server well-known port number and what type of application the confirm the length field in the UDP header is consisting with the IP header length information. Now we are going into the UDP user data protocol. So here you can see in the UDP the source port number is 54,850 and the destination port number is 53 and the length is 45 and the checksum is 0x20BC and the checksum of the status is unverified and the stream index is 1. Here you can see. Now we are going to the next question, that is find the DNS query message in the DNS packet sent by the client. What field indicates whether the message is query or response, what the information carried by the body of the question, what is the transaction ID and another class type in DNS. We are going to see that. Here in the DNS you can see the queries. Here in the query you can see the queries are client1.google.com and the name of the client is client1.google.com and the name length is 19 and the length count is 3 and the type is A and class E. Now we are going to see the first question. Consider the packet carrying DNS response to the above query and what should the Ethernet and the IP address for the packet be? What is the size of the IP packet and the UDP data gram that carried the response? Here you can see the UDP, the destination port number is 53 and here you can see for the second one the sports port number is 53 and the destination port number is 54,850 and the length is 85. Now we are going into the next one. Here you can how to identify the frame that carries the first TCP segment, the three-way handshaking setup in the Ethernet and the source Ethernet and the IP address to the do you expect in the segment. What is the length of the TCP segment and what is the initialized sequence number for the segment for the client and the server. Now we are going to see that. Here you can see in the frame it is like 13.23 and the Ethernet connection is destination address is 98.c6.0d. Here you can see 0.0.04.96.98.c6.0 and the source is here you can see the address, and that IP is IPv4, and the IP address is source is 10.2.5.120, and destination is 216.58.2.5.143, and the version is 4, and the header length is 20 bytes, and the total length is 1420, and the identification is shown here. For the next question, I am going identify that carries the second segment in the three-way handshake. How much eclipse between the capture of the first and second segment, and the acknowledgement number in the TCP segment, and what is the length of the TCP segment, and what is the initialization sequence TCP segment. Here you can see in the TCP segment of this, and the source port number is 52,391, and the destination port number is 443, and the sequence number is 10.42.16.636, and the acknowledgement is 169, and the length is 1380. And identify here identify the framework carrying the HTTP GET message, and examine that. We are going to see that. Here you can see the source is 10.2.150, and destination is 172.217.26.172,